What's up, all my investors? I'm back with another HINANCE video, and today we're going to be having the discussion: is Beyond Meat a falling knife? Yes or no? Hit the thumbs up, like button for yes. Hit the dislike button for no. We're going to do a little poll using that. I'm on the fence, but I'm going to share some information that maybe will make us get off the fence and pick a side, because that's what's needed. Shout out to all my future millionaires watching this right now. Put a money sign in the comments. I appreciate y'all for real, for real. Now, is Beyond Meat a falling knife? Well, if you bought it at up 50% ago, it might feel like a falling knife at this moment. Down 44% year to date. Yes, 44%. Wow, that sounds like a sale to me. I feel like I always have to remind people, like, Beyond Meat is one of those stocks that is disruptive, high growth. You have to understand the industry they're in and who they're challenging. They're challenging the meat industry. Think about that. Big money. So there's going to be a short interest of 38% on it. Of course, big money's going to short it. They want Beyond Meat to squeeze the life out of Beyond Meat. They want people to think that Beyond Meat is not a reliable company to invest in. It's a mind game. It really is. So that's when you get that 38% short interest, which is probably why it's continuing to sell. Well, that and other things, it's just kind of added on to it. You know, in just November alone, they fell 29% with their recent earnings report that came out. You know, showing that they had some issues going on. They definitely had some issues going on. But like everybody's having issues going on right now. So you have to. And this is for the new investors, because I know some of y'all already know everything. Okay, yeah. You have to, when things start selling off, you have to really see and look into it. Do your due diligence, do your research, and see, is anything changing in the company? Is anything fundamentally changing? What's really going on? Why is it selling? Because sometimes people sell stuff just because, and that doesn't make it a bad company, but it creates opportunity for you, people like me and you who are not in it, when it drops down to 44% to get in at a steal. I did want to mention that the U.S. net revenue declined by 13.9%, but the international revenue grew, more than doubling year over year from 16.1 million to 38.9 million. Troubles were temporary and supply chain related stuff. With supply chain related stuff, I think, Beyond Meat continues to hold its position in the market. There hasn't been any reports of them losing significant market share. So unless you can provide that, I think it still remains a strong company, because they hold their market, right? They have good partnerships with. They have a partnership with McDonald's, Pizza Hut, A&W. They distribute through Walmart. Obviously, they had big spikes in the past because there were some fears of that we're going to shut down and lock in, and there may be some more future fears, and people might buy more. So you just never know, right? But what I do know is that they're disruptive. What I do know is that when I'm investing in Beyond Meat, it's long term, not really short term. And I understand that if I want the high risk, I got to be willing to accept the high volatility, and that's where we're getting here. I think we just got to get through the short interest part, but who knows? This might turn into an AMC type of situation: the vegans versus the meat eaters, and who knows? The vegans may come together and just buy up Beyond Meat and shoot it all the way up to $300 a share. You imagine? That'd be some wild stuff, but it's all possible. The possibilities are endless. I don't think that Beyond Meat is a falling knife. I think that they still have legs to stand on. Time will tell, but for me, this is a long-term hold, and I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you to buy or sell. Sorry for those of y'all who've bought at a higher price, but people like me are here to come in and buy at these sale prices so that we can run this stock up to where it needs to be. Let me know how you feel about Beyond Meat. I don't know. Like, I don't think it's falling up. I think it's very interesting stock to be diversified into your portfolio. So, but that's just me. That's just me. If you disagree, I'm fine with that. Just let me know in the comments why. And don't give me none of that "they're not making money" stuff. I'm tired of hearing that as being an excuse for people why not. You ain't even making money. Out of here, man. if you're interested in joining the Investors Discord chat, shoot me a DM above. I will get you the link. It's free to join. We're just a group of investors looking to build generational wealth through sharing resources and having daily financial conversations, y'all. Appreciate y'all for watching. I'll check y'all out on the next one.